Aloha, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make
steamed vegetables over fire. Portion 2 sheets of foil, about 12 inches or bigger. Place first sheet on countertop. Add mushrooms, zucchini, broccoli, onion, garlic, basil, butter, and ice. Season with salt and pepper. Place other foil on top and seal tightly. If vegetables don't fit, make another foil bag. Heat barbecue on medium-high. Place bag over fire and cook until the foil bag puffs up like a bag of popcorn. Put foil back onto plate. Cut open so your friends will be amazed. Enjoy with huli huli tri-tip and barbecue oysters. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes. Mahalos.